How to edit shortcuts on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, you will learn how you can edit your shortcuts on your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Snapchat. In case you see update sign here, update your app. Once you do so, tap on Open. Once you're at this page, to edit your shortcuts, let's take a snap first. As you do so, just tap onto Send to on your bottom right. It will display all your friends, and at the top corner, you will see a shortcut icon. For instance, this is my shortcut icon, and if you would like to create yourself one as well, just tap on plus icon, then tap on New Shortcut, choose your friends, give it an emoji as well, and tap on Create a Shortcut. Now to edit it, just tap on any one that you would like to edit, and you can remove and add new friends as you please. You can also edit the emoji. Once you do so, tap on OK and tap on Save. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.